Want to stop sharing any content from Instagram to Facebook? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to stop sharing from Instagram to Facebook. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Then tap on the gear icon at the top right beside the magnifying glass icon. Go to Account Center at the top. Then tap on Sharing Across Profiles. Now select your Instagram account. Then turn off the automatically share options for stories and posts as well. You can do the same for your Facebook account. And this is how to stop sharing from Instagram to Facebook. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.